Hello everyone. Today I will solve the question find medium from data string. The question number is 295 and the question statement is the median is the middle value in an order integer list. If the size of the list is even, there is no middle value and the median is the mean of the two middles value. Okay. If the size is odd like this 2 3 4, the middle one is our median. If it is even like 2 3, the average of these two middle number is our median. Now what we need to do, we need to implement the median finder class. Here we will implement these two functions only, void add number, and they will give a integer number. Add the integer num from the data stream to the data structure. We need to add this number to the data structure. Double find min, here we need to return the median of all elements so far, whatever we have got. So I will explain you with an example. In this example, first one is median finder, second one is add number. Here they will give us a number, we need to add this number in our data structure 1. Again they have given a add number, that is 2. Okay, now we need to find the median of these two numbers. What will be the median? The average of these two numbers, that is 1.5. So we will return 1.5. First three values null, then 1.5. Now what is this add number? We need to add this 3, right? We need to add this 3, so we will add the 3. Yeah, okay. Now again, what is find median, right? So we need to find the median. What is the median of these numbers? Because we have got these numbers so far, so the median now will be 2 because it is odd number and the middle one is our median. So 2 will be median, so we need to return this 2 after this null. Okay, so I will explain you two cases. You can say two solutions. The first one is the heap one, the second one is middle set. So first I will explain you how we can solve through the heap, like maximum and minimum heap, using maximum and minimum heap. And the second one is multi-set. So now I am explaining you the solution with the heap. So you know the maximum heap, that is priority key. Priority queue is decreasing, right? And the minimum heap is increasing. Okay, so we will have two heap sort. We will have two heap, maximum and minimum heap. I have named it as increasing and decreasing. Maximum heap is decreasing, minimum heap is increasing. So assume it as a, this one is a decreasing or maximum heap, this one as a increasing, inc increasing minimum heap. So what we will do, assume our solution is one, question is our 1 2 3 4 and another one is 1 2 3 4 5. So whenever we will get the first digit, assume it as a 1. Let me change the color. When we will get 1, we will put it here. It is decreasing, right? Maximum, it is increasing, right? Our largest value of this heap will be here, our largest value of this heap will be here, right? And the top value of this also will be this one only. Okay, now we'll put this one inside this our maximum heap first. Whenever we will get first number, you can say the odd number because it is first one, so we will put it here. And the maximum, the top value of this heap will move, and we will move that value to this one. We'll push that value to the minimum heap. So now this one will be here and we will pop that value here from the maximum heap. Now it will come here. Now again we will have 2, as we'll push, it is even number because it is the second number, so we will put it here in this heap because it is increasing, so it will be First I want to explain you the heap always put these values in increasing order. In maximum heap and in minimum heap it is in decreasing order. So it is increasing order, so it will be like 1 2. Now the top value of this is 2. We will move this value to the maximum heap. It will be here now, right? So we will do like this only. Whenever it will be odd number, we will put in the maximum heap, and the top value of maximum heap will move to the minimum heap. And whenever it will be the even value, we will put it in first time in minimum heap, but lastly eventually we will move it to the maximum heap. So if it will be odd number, it will be eventually in the minimum heap. If it is even value, it will be in maximum heap. So now the code will be if our solution has like two value like 1 2, so what will be our median? It will be the sum of these two value, right? So whenever we will have even number, we will do top of minimum heap plus top of maximum heap by 2. That is 1 plus 2 by 2, that is 1.5, right? Understood? If it will be like now we will have 3, this 3, right? We will have this 3, this 3. Okay, now it is odd number, so we will put it here first, then the top value of this number will move to this one, right? So after putting 3 here, because it is decreasing, it will come here, and top of this one is 2, right? It will go here. So it will be like, it is increasing, so it will be like this. So now if we need to return the median, what will we will return? The top of the minimum heap of increasing, or you can say increasing. So it is our heap solution. I hope you have understood the solution of heap. Now I will explain you the solution of multiset. In multiset, whenever we put a data, it always goes like in increasing order. Okay, first I want to tell you this one. Now in this, what we will do, we will take a iterator which will always put, like if it is 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3, that iterator will always either on a middle one, that is median, or the right side, or if it is a even number of integer is even, it will in the rightmost side of the median, like this one. So we can do the previous of iterator plus iterator by 2, like 2 plus 3 by 2. So we will always put the iterator in the middle or the right side of the middle. So how we will do this one? Inside in this question, whenever there will be a only one integer, we'll simply put, like if it is our question 1 2 3 4, we will simply insert one into our multiset. Okay, and our iterator will be this one only. Okay, now again our value will be 2, right? It is even number, right? As it is 2, our iterator will now should be on this one, because in even case it will be on the rightmost side, right? So now our condition will be, if this 2 is greater than this one, it might happen that our second value is 0.5, right? In that case our iterator was on right number, that is 1. So the condition will be, if our number is, the new number is greater than the previous number where our iterator was, then we will move iterator plus plus, else our iterator will be on that place only. Okay, now 3 will come, right? 3 will come. Now our iterator is on right place, because it is 3. If it will be 1.5, it will be 1 1.5 2 3, sorry, 1 1.5 2, right? If it is not 3, instead of 3 it will be 1.5. So our iterator move backward. If it is 3, our iterator is on right number. If it is less than 2, we will move backward, right? Now you have understood that our iterator is either pointing to the middle one or the right side of the iterator, right side of the median number if it is even number. In this case 1 and 2, our iterator will be on this number. So whenever we will return the median, we will return the sum of these two by 2. Okay, now I will explain you the code. In heap solution, it is decreasing and increasing, as I have explained you here. It is increasing, it is increasing, it is decreasing. Okay, this one increasing and decreasing, this one is increasing and this one is decreasing. Now first it is true, whenever first value will come, it will be odd number, right? So we will put in decreasing and decreasing, and the top of that decreasing will push it in our increasing, right? And we will pop that value. If it is even number, we will put it in increasing, and the top of that increasing will push into the decreasing, and we will pop that increasing number. Okay, and if they will ask for the median, if it is odd number, we will return increasing dot top. If it is odd number, we will sum by 2, as I have explained you. In multi-set, this is the initialization. This and check odd is false. Whenever first value will come here, like, we will make it a true, because it will be odd number. If it is the size is 1, we will simply iterate plus plus 1. Otherwise, if it is odd number like 1, like 1 2 3, we will check if that number is greater than 2 or not. If it is less than 2, we need to do iterate minus minus, because iterator was on 2, so we will do iterator minus minus, like here. Okay, in the event case, like 1 and 2, 1, if it is greater than 1, if our iterator is here, we will move iterator 1 plus plus. If it is less than like 0.5, we will do minus. We will not do anything, right? And if it is odd, we will simply return the iterator value. If it is even, we will do iterator value plus previous iterator's value by 2. Let's run the code. I have run the I have already run the heap solution. Now I am running the multi-set solution. Thank you.